My name is Esl. I am the Executive Director for the Center for Refugees and Immigrants for Tennessee. I think Nashville is a place where refugees can thrive. The center is started in 2000. It was founded by Somali refugees to make it a place that they can come and receive services. And as time goes by, there were more refugees moving into Tennessee. And in 2009, it became Center for Refugees and Immigrants of Tennessee. We do have a lot of Somalis that came from Dadaab. And normally, there's a cultural shock. There is higher expectations when they come here, that everything will be fine and a lot of things will be provided. It's not actually, that's not normally the case. It's not easy actually to adjust to a new life. We offer is the Esl classes where we teach students how to learn the basic English.
What I want you to do is I want you to look at these pictures and I want you to write one positive and one negative sentence to go with each picture.
It becomes easier when the person can speak the language to find a job, to get services and understand what their even rights are. We also offer citizenship classes.
What happened at the Constitutional Convention?
Teach students to prepare for the exam that you actually need to pass in order to obtain a U.S. citizenship. My favorite part of my job is to see someone who came here, doesn't know anything, cannot speak the language, couldn't drive, doesn't have any job, and now have a job. Some of them have families, they have driver's license, they are American citizens. That actually gives you, it is a highlight of what you actually do and gives you a comfort that what you do is really important.